Asterisk, you've been wiping your counters, screens, and car dashboards wrong. And yes, that includes your expensive microfiber cloth. In 2026, the cleaning game changed. Most cloths now spread bacteria or leave micro scratches without you even knowing. But today, I'm exposing the top 5 microfiber cleaning cloths that actually wipe down perfectly. Stay tuned, because number 3 shocked even me. All product links to buy are in the description. Let's go. Asterisk. Number 1. MR.SIGA Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. If you're looking for a general-purpose microfiber cleaning cloth for tackling everyday chores, the MR.SIGA Microfiber Cleaning Cloth is a great option. It's an incredibly popular option, and for good reason. The cleaning cloths are made from an ultra-soft blend of polyester and nylon that easily attracts and traps dust, debris, and bacteria, while the high-quality stitching helps ensure these cloths will last through many cycles in the washing machine. The pack of 12 is very budget-friendly given its versatility, just over $1 per cloth, and the generous size of the cloths make them easy to use for a variety of tasks like scrubbing kitchen cabinets and removing dust from mirrors or slick surfaces. The only issue you might come across with these microfiber cloths is that the specific blend makes them hold static more than other options. This can feel a little uncomfortable when they're dry, but honestly, it shouldn't be a huge deterrent. Product details: material, polyester and nylon, GSM, 280, size, 12.6 by 12.6 inches. Number 2. MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. While most microfiber cleaning cloths are positioned as multi-purpose, you'll want to opt for the finest cloth possible when using them for delicate, detailed items like eyeglasses or electronics. The MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloth fits the bill on that front. The cloths are crafted from a blend of polyester and polyamide, resulting in an ultrafine cloth that is safe to use on delicate surfaces. The material is super soft to the touch but also sturdy and easy to grip, allowing you to easily erase smudges, fingerprints, and dust that can accumulate on eyewear. The ultrafine material does an exceptional job of trapping those rogue lint particles that can sometimes cling to eyeglasses and provides a super clear result. Keep in mind that the cloths are quite a bit more delicate than the bigger multipurpose cloths, so they require more care than most. They become noticeably less effective after washing and drying, and should be washed on a gentle cycle and air-dried whenever possible. Product details: material, polyester and polyamide, GSM, not listed, size, 6 by 7 inches. Number 3. The Rag Company Edgeless 365 Microfiber Towels. It might seem like you can get away with using any old cloth when cleaning your car, but the difference between an old towel and a microfiber cloth is like night and day. The Edgeless 365 by the Rag Company stands out as the best option if you really want to make your car shine. The innovative cloth boasts a dual pile design. One side features longer fibers while the other has a tight terry weave, which allows you to tackle both soft metals like aluminum and hard metals like stainless steel and chrome. It's much more absorbent than the average microfiber cloth, which can make a major difference when detailing your car. Although the price point is quite a bit higher than other options on our list, about double the price per cloth, it's definitely going to be worth it if you're looking for something that takes the elbow grease out of buffing and shining your vehicle. Product details: material, polyester and polyamide, GSM, 365, size, 10 by 10 inches. Number 4. WHOOSH Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. Cleaning electronics requires a special microfiber cleaning cloth. You want something finer than average, but for phones and other touchscreen devices, you'll also want it to tackle bacteria and microbes that lurk on high-touch surfaces. The WHOOSH Microfiber Cleaning Cloth is one of the most well-loved cleaning cloths for tech. It even has a reputation for being used in Apple stores, thanks to its ability to cut through dust and fingerprints quickly and easily. The tiny woven hoops were designed to clean and polish without being too abrasive. This means you won't have to worry about scratching or further smudging your gear. Keep in mind that these cloths are for removing dust and things like fingerprints or smudges. If you've splashed anything onto your device, or it has visible debris or grease stains, you'll want to remove as much of that as possible with distilled water or specialty screen cleaning products. They're not designed for buffing out stuck-on grime. Product details: material, polyester, GSM, not listed, size, 14 by 14.02 inches. Number 5. MR.SIGA Lint-Free Microfiber Duster. The MR.SIGA Lint-Free Microfiber Duster is the best option for those looking specifically for dust-busting microfiber cleaning cloths. You could argue it's not exactly a cloth, but the duster shape makes it way easier to tackle high dust areas like window blinds, door frames, or shelving. The fluffy microfiber head is slightly longer than the average microfiber cloth, which helps to trap and hold dust and lint before it gets into the air, while the ergonomic handle makes it easier to get to hard-to-reach areas. The microfiber material is designed to hold up wash after wash, but MR.SIGA also offers replacement microfiber duster heads, which makes this product feel more sustainable. The one noted issue with the product is that the microfiber material, while it holds up well in the wash, can bleed onto lighter colors. For this reason, you'll want to make sure you wash it with light colors. Product details: material, polyester, GSM, 800, size, 17.9 by 4.3 inches. And that's the list for 2026. If you're still using old rags or paper towels, stop. Your surfaces will thank you later. All links for these exact cloths are down in the description. Buy them before they go viral. Like this video if you learned something new. Share it with someone who still cleans wrong. And subscribe, because every week, I save you money and time. See you in the next one.